Okay, in this video, after we install PyCharm, I'll show you how to compile and run my first application. So we have seen how to install Python and configure with the IDE PyCharm. Then you can come here, File, New Project, and give it the name of the project, like I will say Udemy Py. Okay, new window. Already I created other project. After it loads, we'll compile and start our first Python project. Now it loads our first Python project, and inside that we'll create, like, we'll right click on the folder, go to new file, first app. I'll call it first app.py. .py is the extension for the Python, and hit enter, and it will open our IDE that will write our Python project. So here it comes, and I will show you how to write the first code. And open the bracket, and inside that we'll put a double quote and write hello world. Starting Python. So in some case it will show you like your cursor like this, enter it, and it will go. So for the first time you'll go to run, and inside the run menu tab you'll click the run button. First app, yeah. Hello world, I am starting Python. If you want to, after you compile with the run on the menu bar, you can compile it with this one. Here is the shortcut, or use Shift plus F10. Let's print other thing. It will print after this, and I will print planning to be a Python programmer. So students who come to the Python program, you are going to be a Python programmer, and there is a lot of opportunities. So we will compile it, and it will compile, it will run the first project. Hello world, I am starting Python, I'm planning to be a Python programmer. Already is compiled. So we'll go to the other trainings, and we'll go on the Python. So we have run our first project. So keep giving time, and if you give 1 or 2 hours per day, you will be a good Python programmer.